Go to Fuller. Andre Ramon Fuller. 18B 133523A 14B 74531B.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Torrey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Fuller. Fuller, please state it on the record. Great.
I also have one 8B 133523B. I can't wait to hear.
Your Honor, at this time, we're prepared to vote formal reading of the client's statement.
I'm just curious. What made you walk in 11 years after the fact on this 2014 case? Hang on, I'm not done. And then, what made you walk in on this 2018 case today? You haven't been here in 11 years and 6 years. If he thinks he's walking out with a personal bond, he's got something else coming. I'm asking you a question. Why did you not show up on these cases? Why do you think that you're larger than life? I don't like this.
I went to get my CDX when I went.
Maybe we don't want to move the case now. Maybe we don't want to move the case now. Maybe I want to set this in 7 years. That's what I feel like doing. You feel now you need something, so you want to walk in here? Are you kidding me? What am I talking about? Is that what you said to him?
That's not what you said, Judge. Your Honor, he was under the impression that when posted a bond on him.
And I was under the impression when I got elected district judge in '94, they were electing me president of the United States. I really don't want to hear it. I really don't want to hear it. 3,010%. 3,010% on 523A. And so with all these new rules, if anybody wants to criticize me on this, I just want to make it clear that Mr. Fuller here didn't show up in 14. We issued a warrant. He forfeited bonds. He didn't show up in 18. He forfeited other bonds. So, you know what? I don't care if he can post or not. 3,010% on 531B. I get tired of this. Like, who would you think you are to do this? I'm serious. I mean, who would you think you are? No respect for the system, eh?
I've been trying to get my.
You haven't been trying to do anything.
Yes.
I don't want to hear it. You're going to sit down there or you're going to post $600. If you're not going to post $600, you're in custody. Or is he just assuming he can walk in 11 years and I'm going to give him a this game with me again? I'm telling you, next time you'll be sitting in there. I'll make sure of it. Well, and then he looks around like, what's wrong with this judge? He thinks I'm not showing respect because it only took me 11 years to come in here and see him.
Stroke, son.
You were getting picked up and arrested on other cases. You posted bonds and then you didn't show up again. Now you send your lawyer in here to tell me that you thought the case was taken care of. Really? I can add 3 and 8 without a calculator. I don't want to hear it. What date am I giving them here, Lisa? I had it written down. I don't know. This is Brownstown, I guess, both of them. So I'm setting it for November the 5th at 11. John?
He's going to post around now.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Daniel. Adrian Lamar Daniel, 25.840169 A and B. Your name? Adrian Daniel. All right, you worked it out, Mr. Daniel. You're going to plead to no obscene person, and they are going to dismiss the driving on a suspended. True?
Yes.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty here, the possible penalties are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And
sir.
did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, sir.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. There will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you waived your right to a lawyer before. You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer. To the charge, no valid operator's license on your person. How do you plead?
No,
Were you operating a motor vehicle on October 1 at 25 to 12:36 a.m. on I-75 in King and Woodhaven?
yes, sir.
Did you have a valid operator's license on your person?
No.
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm on probation with Lincoln Park. I'm supposed to get off on the 13th of next month.
Do you understand if you were on probation on October 1, and it sounds like you were of this year, that this would be deemed a violation of that probation? That probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated on that charge as a result of this plea and conviction.
Yes, I already let my probation off.
You still wish to plead guilty? Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
And also, as part of this agreement, that no proof of insurance will be dismissed, true?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna accept that plea to no ops. Dismiss the suspend, dismiss the no proof. You gotta go take care of your suspension here. What is it? Let me see.
I can't go to.
You got an implied consent refusal, right?
That's what they said, but I just went with it. I can't get them renewed until February.
Right, because you didn't take the breathalyzer, they're saying.
Yeah.
All right, what would you like to tell me? Anything else?
No, sir.
100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 3 1/4 or 60 days. Can you pay that today?
I don't get paid until 8 tonight, so it'll have to be online tonight or either early tomorrow morning.
So you can pay it all by tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you until Friday. How's that?
Good.
October 31. You can pay that right online. It'll save you a trip over here if you want.
Okay.
Okay, and there's no fee if you're paying it full. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mary Jo Kimbler,
Ready, Your Honor.
25 F24542. Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Ma'am, your name?
Mary Jo Kimball.
All right, let me just check one thing here, please. I just want to look at one thing.
No worries, man.
She pled guilty to operating while impaired. The operating while intoxicated was dismissed. She was referred for a screening and assessment. You had a chance to review the report with her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
No additions, corrections, or deletions, Your Honor.
Good.
I support the adopted probation recommendation.
Of course you are. Why wouldn't you? Okay, go ahead. It's fair.
As indicated, Your
For the most
Honor, she has no prior criminal history.
Right. She's 69.
Lived an exemplary life up till this point. I just ask the court to adopt the probation department recommendation.
The only thing I don't like, Ms. Kimbler, you're bringing Bloody Marys over to your salon and drinking them. Why are you doing that? That doesn't.
The worst decision I've ever made in my life.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. Anything else you want to tell me?
Just that I'm very sorry.
All right. At least you showed up.
Our husband's here too, Your Honor. He's outside as support.
Okay. Why is he outside? He's the kind of guy that goes to Comerica Park and sits out in the parking lot. Is that the deal? I'm just kidding. 300 fines, 200 costs, $75 victim's rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 6 1/4 screening fee, 60 for 685. Restitution, or not restitution, but cost of recovery is $225, bringing your total to $920. I want you to serve. I'm going to order 2 days of community service, 2 days jail credit 1, serve 1, 2 days jail credit 1, serve 1, and I'll have you do 1 day of community service. And then you do the victims impact panel. And I'm going to give you until December the 20th to complete your community service.
How many days did you say on this?
Just one. I misspoke. It's 2 days, but I'm giving her credit for the 1 day from the arrest. So she only has to sue. She'll do that by December 20, do the victims impact panel. and paid $920 or served 93 days. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer.
Yeah, look, I just want to go over the figures. Got 685, you said plus 225, Your Honor?
No, it's 300 fines, 200 costs,
Okay.
75 and 50, victim's rights, $50 justice assessment for 6 1/4, screening fees 60 for 685.
Okay.
And then you have
And then you said 220.
225 in costs of recovery.
So I think you said